The iPhone 12 is the upcoming iPhone which is likely to be launched at a special event in September later in this year. The 2020 iPhone series may consist of 4 iPhone, viz iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 is expected to be the cheaper iPhone of the 2020 Apple iPhone series. The starting price might be around $649. So first, let us talk about its design. The 2020 iPhone will feature an overall design with a metal frame that's similar to the frame of iPhone 4 or iPad Pro, with a square-edged stainless steel frame between the two pieces of glass, and it will continue to use front and back glass for the body of the device. Secondly, if we talk about display, the Apple is using OLED across the iPhone lineup, which allows more flexible handset design. The Apple is testing OLED display from Chinese company BOE Displays, which makes LCD for Apple, iPad and MacBooks. The Apple has been using Samsung OLED displays in recent OLED iPhones and is expected to continue doing with iPhone 12 models. And here are 4 iPhone 12 display details. The iPhone 12 comes with 5-inch display. The iPhone 12 Max and Pro comes with 6.1-inch display. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with 6.7-inch display. And here all the displays are made up of OLED. Thirdly, let us look into the processor. The Apple has A14 Bionic chip. Rumors suggested TSMC will manufacture the 5nm chips Apple will use in its 2020 iPhone lineup. The 5nm processor will produce chips that are smaller, faster and more battery efficient due to improved thermal management. The A14 chip will focus on speeding up artificial intelligence and AR tasks according to Bloomberg. Next, let us look into the RAM. The iPhone 12 consists 2 varieties of RAM, namely 4GB and 6GB. They are expecting 4GB RAM for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max, whereas 6GB RAM comes under iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. If we talk about battery, the iPhones coming in 2020 could have some small gains in battery capacity, which could be 50% smaller, thinner than the some component used in previous iPhones. That could free up valuable space in the iPhone. If we talk about power adapter, the upcoming iPhone 12 models might not ship with a power adapter in the box, according to TF International Security Analyst. The Apple may be planning to nix the adapter from the box in order to cut down iPhone 12 production cost, as adding 5G support has been expensive. The Apple will instead release a new USB-C 20-watt power adapter which can be purchased separately. If we talk about rear camera, rumors suggested some of the new iPhone models coming in 2020 will feature a 3D camera, which sounds like the radar scanner feature that Apple added in the 2020 iPad Pro models. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Max could feature dual lens cameras, while the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max could feature triple lens camera. If we talk about storage space, YouTuber John Processor has suggested the iPhone 12 lineup will start with 64GB for 2 lower-end iPhone 12 models, while the higher-end models will start with 128GB of storage. Next you have Touch ID and Face ID. Rumors believes that upcoming iPhone 12 in 2020 will use an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor manufactured by Qualcomm, whereas Face ID in the iPhone 12 models may also feature a wider view angle to support unlocking at a wider range of angles. If we talk about AirPods, Apple iPhone 12 models may not come with the wired AirPods included in the box. according to the Apple analyst, says that the Apple may leave out the AirPods to drive demand for its AirPod and to cut down on iPhone 12 costs. Eventually, if we talk about pricing, rumors suggested that pricing on the iPhone 12 could start as low as $649 this year, which could be the lowest price that Apple has charged for an OLED iPhones. Pricing could range from $649 to $1,099. The iPhone 12 5.4 inch is $649. The iPhone 12 6.1 inch is $749. The iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch is $999. And finally, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is 6.7 inch $1,099.